So you're saying we have two houses, same exact floor plan, and why don't we just make them one episode?
Can we?
Yeah. You think you can out remodel me?
Bet I can.
Okay. How about this? You take that one, and I'll take this one up here. But how about this? Loser buys steak dinner.
Steak dinner.
Steak
Bet.
dinner. Bet?
Bet.
Bet. Bet. Hey, Bubba. You got a second?
Yeah, she got me.
Okay, so I've been running the comps for those for this little bet that we got going on, and we have a couple issues. One, the average price in that area is about 150. We need to get like 160 for them though.
I think we can do that.
Yeah, yours is worth about 125 right now. Mine's bad condition, about 95. So here's where the problem is. I have a way bigger budget, meaning I have to do outside and inside. All you're concentrating on is mostly inside, right?
Yeah, but you're gonna need all that help, really.
Yeah, whatever. All right, I mean, we can do that, but I think we need to stick to just judging the kitchen
And like the
and
living
the
room?
living room.
Okay. Yeah.
If we do that, because I have a bathroom that I have to do, and I have a bunch of other stuff, plus a new backyard, all that stuff. And then we'll put it out to a vote, and then whoever gets the most votes, that's how we'll judge it.
Okay.
Sound
Yeah, that
good?
sounds good.
Okay, so with that being said, if we can get 160, that gives us about $100,000 increase for both the houses. I'll even add this on to it. If you can beat me, I'll buy your steak, sit there and watch you eat it. Plus, you get to pick the next house that we're flipping up to $100,000.
It's a lot of steak.
That is a lot of steak.
I like it.
All right, we're not friends anymore. All right, bet's on. Good?
Bet.
Bet. All right,
Bet.
I'll see you later. I gotta
Bye,
go.
bud.
All right, bye.
I wanted to come on over and check out my buddy Josh's house. I want to check on his progress.
No. He was trying to come in and check the inside of it. He was trying to spy on me.
No, I would not do such a thing.
Anyways, I'm way behind compared to him, but I'm finally able to get my crews over to do the
What?
yard
No,
and
no. What do you mean cruise?
yeah, I gotta get them to rip out the countertops. And
No, we're not ripping out our own kitchens and countertops.
did you?
Yeah, cut up my hands.
Hell no, I'm not doing that stuff myself. That's what the crews are for. Do you think I installed the fence? Heck no.
I hate
Anyways, I'm way behind. We are about to start ripping that stuff out. I got a bunch to do to catch up with him, and you need to get off my property.
Hashtag I hate you.
No, hashtag rookie. Later, dude.
Later.
From what I heard, Chuck went and did all this himself. I'm not doing this crap. That's what I got y'all for. Appreciate y'all. Oh, what's up, Puddin'? You need to mow your grass.
Don't worry about my grass. What's up, buddy? What you doing?
Oh, not much. Figured I'd come see you real quick. So, we got 2 days, man.
2 days.
Yeah.
I'm looking good. How are you looking?
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, let me check it out real quick.
You're not coming in my house.
Come on, dude.
No.
All right. Well, I'm headed to mine. I got 2 days left. You got to have yours on the market in 2 days. They're doing final touches, so dinner's on you.
I have my steak medium rare.
Yeah, whatever, loser. Oh, shit. Where's the floors at? Okay. So that's my flooring people, and they said that they should be here today. So that gives me 2 days to get this mess finished, and I'm not gonna freak out. I gotta work on my project. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh, last day of the flip, morning of. I got 8 hours to finish, and my backsplash is missing. Just gone. Plus I have a broken window. I was supposed to have been here yesterday. You have to get the property cleaned, yard finished, all kinds of stuff. I may have to actually do manual labor. I don't want to do manual labor. God. No, I'm just playing, I do it all the time. But having less than a day to get like 10 things done, holy crap. I may have to start this day off with a good cry over in the corner. Positive thinking. I gotta go. Okay, so what are we doing?
Okay, we got footage here, both our houses. We're gonna do a review, and we're gonna see some reactions of the winner.
So it's gonna tell us who is the winner.
The winner.
Oh, here's my house.
Starting with yours.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice looking floor there.
I know, I went with the dark cabinets. We got some charcoal. So here's the big thing. I didn't have time to actually, that's why I was worried, to finish the island. There's 2 legs that I have there.
I like that butcher block though.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And then my actual backsplash didn't even come in. So I had to go with subway tile, which was not my first
I like the
plan.
granite though. The waves in there, that does look good. I like that.
Thank you, thank you.
Ooh, the winner's house.
I can tell within a couple seconds whether I won. Yep, I won.
Whatever. Not even close,
I
bro.
won. I kicked your butt.
No.
Plain simple.
Brighter.
No.
Yes. Homier feel. Dude, I got it in the bag.
You want a subway tile too?
Yeah, but it looks good with the white cabinets.
Mine looks better, plain and simple.
Not even close.
I mean, the
gray
granite
granite.
looks
It's
good.
got some waves in it. Looks good. I think it looks good
Floor
with the
looks
brown
good,
floor.
too.
Thank you.
You went with the gray.
Yeah.
And I'm actually kind of proud of you.
Appreciate
I mean,
that.
mine's better, but I'm kind of proud of
Not
you.
even close, bro. Crybaby tears are coming.
Nah, nah. Oh, and the winner is... Yeah! I told you, fool. You owe me a steak, and I get to pick out the next house. You don't get anything. You may serve me, fine sir. Remember, medium rare. All
Yeah,
the
yeah,
things.
yeah,
I'm the winner, plain and simple.
I'm taking the L.
I am the winner.
Taking the L.
Yeah, I'm the winner. Bet is mine. Hey guys, Chuck can even say, we appreciate y'all watching.
We do appreciate it.
Yeah, comment below, see who you thought won. But this
Tell
is
us what
actually,
you think.
Yeah.
Did you like anything about the houses? Did you not
Yeah.
like any kind of changes you may think? Put it down in the comments below.
Yeah, so also go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell because we have another video coming out here soon. We're gonna flip a house in 3 days. 1, 2, 3.
Very fast.
3 days from start to finish. We're gonna be done, including staging, everything. Super excited about it. Thanks again, guys. I'm the winner.
I hate you.
Sucks to suck.
God, I hate you.
Well done. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. For your first flip, you did really good.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, I mean not that good, but.
I still like a better house.
All right, later, guys.